So the top of the A68 at the border of Scotland and England is a place called Carter Bar. It's about 418 metres in height. Get some stunning views from up here. So if you're going this way, have a stop and have a look around. So the next few minutes is just some time-lapse footage on the A9 skirting around the Cairngorm.